not just only change the seats, we're gonna change the whole interior of the car. Everything that you see in this car is controlled via touchscreen. Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. So, this will be the biggest project of Tiger Garage yet. It may look like nothing at the moment. Parang kasi makikita mo, madumi yung car. Looks very, very ordinary. This is a 2023 Hi-Ace or Super Grandia na Tourer. Ano big sabihin ng Tourer? Mas mataas yung roof niya and then mas mahaba din siya compared to normal Grandias or normal Hi-Ace. Pero tara, actually, sinisimulan na namin yung likod pero wala pa naman nagagalaw dito. Upon opening the door, makita mo, this is a very, 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 very super duper simple na setup. Talaga siya pang to carry more people. So, in this case, bakit sinabi kong pinaka-biggest project ng Tiger Garage? Kasi we will not just only change the seats, we're gonna change the whole interior of the car. Palitan natin yung mugs, papalitan natin yung body kit, yung taillights, yung headlights, yung everything. Basically, naiiwan lang sa car na to is yung engine and then yung kanyang shell. Basically, yung lahat na nakikita nyo ngayon sa interior, tatanggalin natin lahat yan and papalitan natin na mas maganda. Siyempre, hindi lang mga cosmetics lang upgrade natin. So, mag-upgrade din tayo ng power doors. So, siyempre, wala naman VIP van na manual yung pagbubukas ng door. Kaya, ang pangit siya tignan, di ba? Kasi manual. So, gagawin natin automatic. Tapos, sa magsaman, papalitan natin na mas malaki and then gagamitan natin ng run flat tires para safety din si client. So, sisimulan na natin tong project. As I always say, wait till you see. Let's go! Alright, natapos na natin sa wakas. Tapos na yung ating biggest project yet. So, this is our 2023 na Super Grandia Tourer. Special build, fully custom interior build. Natapos na natin lahat, as you can see. Kinabitan natin ng dalawang VIP chairs. Kinabitan din natin ng sofa bed sa likod. So, maliban dyan, kinabitan natin ng full interior build. Lahat ng stock na chairs, floors, side panels, tinanggal natin lahat. Ginawa natin ng custom. One special thing about this build, maliban sa VIP seats, maliban sa electronic curtains, maliban sa automatic up-down TV, maliban sa automatic doors, maliban sa sound system na kinabit natin, maliban sa rainbow sound system na kinabit natin, maliban sa custom lightings natin, ano yung pinakagusto ko dito? Actually, ang pinakagusto ko dito is yung nakatago na umbrella. So, it's here. If you're going down the car, umuulan, pwede mo ilabas yung nakatago na umbrella. Siyempre, pag VIP ka, hindi ka pwede maulanan, hindi ka pwede rin maarawan. So, meron siyang special Toyota na umbrella si client na lagi nandito nakatago para hindi siya nakalaylay somewhere around the car. So, every time pag bababa siya ng car, pwede niya just one push and then makuha niya yung umbrella and then pwede nang gamitin. Tapos pagkatapos niya gamitin, kahit basa to, pwede mo ipasok kasi meron siyang drain na nakatago. So, even if the umbrella is wet, just return it to its state and then pwede mo itago ulit dyan. Hindi maiiwan dyan yung tubig kasi may drain siya sa loob. Most of the time, if you have this kind of car, hindi mo sariling ida-drive. Driver yung nagda-drive nito. So, kung si owner of the car, meron siyang like valuables, bags, cellphones, or maybe cash na kailangan itago, pwede niya itago sa lock drawer natin dun sa may table. So, this is a drawer that what I'm seeing. Pwede niya i-lock to and then buksan. Tapos pag di niya kailangan, pwede sarado and then i-lock. While we're inside the car, I'll show you the other features. Like for example, everything that you see in this car is controlled via touchscreen. Pwede mong patayin lahat. You can close everything. You can close anything and control everything here. So, upper light, upper design light, lower design light, tapos water flow light, side markers, and even the TV. So what's cool about the TV, pwede mo siya isara, pwede mo rin siya ibubuksan. So how can you control it? Just one press of button for opening, just pindutin nyo lang. Ayan, makikita nyo bumababa na yung TV. Once the TV is down, it will automatically turn off. Makikita nyo yun pag iangat natin. So, when you're bringing up the TV, just touchscreen din. Ayan, babalik na yung TV. So, habang tumataas yung TV, to turn on siya. So, this is a fully Android TV. So, you can watch YouTube, you can watch Netflix. You can also watch through USB and everything. Kompleto yung kanyang features. Ayan. So, pag nakakita yung TV, you can control the TV through this smart remote. Parang siyang gyro. Meron siyang mouse. Ayan o. Nakikita nyo dito. Meron siyang mouse. So, you can play music, you can play YouTube. For example, ngayon, magbubukas tayo ng YouTube. Let's just play anything. Dahil naka-rainbow speakers tayo, super good ang kanyang sound quality. As in, syempre, it's not a super expensive build, but it sound very nice. By the way, we carry Rainbow Sound Systems. It's a very affordable brand. And as of now, on the market, this is the best sound quality system na for the money. You can have better sound quality if you spend a lot. Pero for this kind of setup, it's worth every penny of your money. A setup like this, for the sounds only, would only cost you around like 85,000 pesos. Let us hear it. For example, ayan.
Oh, my life is changing every
So,
day in every possible way.
So, I'm not gonna play any more songs, baka ma-copyright tayo, pero mark my word, this sounds so good. So, if you guys are interested pala on the sound system only, just visit our shop and I'll show you our shop. This is a client's car. I cannot let you listen to this. Baka pagpunta nyo wala na tong car, pero I always have a car that has a sound setup like this. So, you guys are very welcome to visit us. Alright, let's continue. So, maliban sa sound system, maliban sa TV natin, we also have very, very small touches. Like, for example, yung ating wireless charger. So, if owner of the car nyo sitting here, syempre gusto nyo nag-charge yung inyong cellphone, pwede nyo lang ilagay dito and the phone will charge wirelessly. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-plug in. So, kung kailangan umalis si client, you'll just grab this and then just go. And the wireless charger, not only the front, the rear also got two wireless charger. So, kahit you're at the back, pwede rin kayo mag-wireless charge. Sa harap naman, wala masyado nating ginalaw. Nagdagdag lang tayo ng isang fridge sa harap. This is a refrigerator. It's actually cold right now, very cold. It's like -1 degrees ngayon. So, if may drink si owner, pwede niya ilagay dito to chill it. So, one other funny thing dito sa harap is yung kanyang sound system, individual dun sa likod. Hiwalay sila. If you're a driver and a front passenger, you can listen to your own musics. Not necessarily na kailangan mong pakinggan yung sounds na pinapakinggan ni owner. And then si owner, hindi na kailangan sabihin pa kay driver, play this, play this, play this pa. He can just control his own. Ayan. So, yeah. The exterior of this car, makikita nyo, syempre, this is our biggest project yet nga. So, lahat ng loob, binago natin. Lahat ng labas, binago also natin. Facelift natin to from a 2023 Grandia Tourer. So, in-upgrade natin yung face niya. So, ginawa nating parang, it's a mix match of a Super Grandia Elite and a Alphard. So, yung grill niya is Alphard, pero yung headlights niya, yung design ng bumper niya, is same kay Grandia Elite. So, ayan. If you guys are interested in this service or this item or any other of our services or item, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye. Let's go.